Car Cleaning Gel easily removes dust and debris from vents, keyboards, and tight car interior spaces. My today's video is about top 5 best car cleaning gel that's available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Pulidiki Car Cleaning Gel. The Pulidiki Car Cleaning Gel is a simple yet effective solution for keeping your car interior dust-free. It works perfectly for quick cleanups, especially in hard-to-reach areas like air vents, cup holders, dashboards, and small crevices. The gel is very easy to use. Just knead it, press it gently onto dusty surfaces, and pull it away to lift dirt and debris. Made from natural materials, the gel has a mild, pleasant smell and doesn't leave any sticky residue. It sticks to dust but not to your hands, making the cleaning process smooth and mess-free. Another great feature is that it's reusable. You can keep using it until the gel becomes dark in color. Beyond car interiors, it's also useful for cleaning keyboards, laptops, office desks, and other small spaces. Overall, this cleaning gel is a convenient, reusable, and practical tool for maintaining both your car and everyday gadgets. Now our second product is Pulidiki Car Cleaning Gel. The Pulidiki Car Cleaning Gel is a practical and effective tool for keeping your car interior clean. This reusable cleaning putty is specially designed to remove dust from hard-to-reach areas such as air vents, steering wheels, dashboards, cup holders, console panels, and storage compartments. Its flexible texture allows it to easily reach small cracks and crevices where regular cleaning tools cannot reach. Using the gel is very simple. Just knead it in your hands, gently press it onto the dusty surface, and slowly lift it away to remove dirt and debris. Made from high-quality materials, the gel has a light, pleasant fragrance and is sticky enough to pick up dust without sticking to your hands or leaving residue. Another great feature is that it's reusable. After use, simply place it back in the jar and store it in a cool place until it turns dark and needs replacement. It's also useful for cleaning keyboards, desks, and electronic devices. Overall, it's a convenient and versatile cleaning solution. Our third product is Pulidiki Car Cleaning Gel. The Pulidiki Car Cleaning Gel is a smart and convenient solution for keeping your car interior spotless. This reusable cleaning putty is specially designed to remove dust and dirt from difficult areas like air vents, steering wheels, dashboards, cup holders, and other tight spaces. Its soft and flexible texture allows it to reach small cracks where regular cleaning tools can't reach. Using it is quick and simple. Just take the gel out, knead it a few times, gently press it onto dusty surfaces, and slowly pull it away. The gel easily lifts dust and debris without sticking to your hands or leaving any residue. It also has a light, pleasant fragrance that makes cleaning more enjoyable. Another great feature is its reusability. After use, simply place the gel back in the jar and store it in a cool place until it becomes dark and needs replacement. Besides cars, it's also useful for cleaning keyboards, office desks, and other devices, making it a versatile cleaning tool. Now number 4, Ticarve Car Cleaning Gel. The car cleaning gel is a simple yet highly effective tool for keeping your car interior clean. It is specially designed to reach the small gaps and tight spaces in your vehicle, such as air vents, dashboards, and other tiny crevices where dust, crumbs, debris, and even pet hair often collect. The soft, flexible gel easily molds into these areas and lifts dirt without effort. Using it is very easy. Just press the gel into cracks or onto dusty surfaces and slowly pull it away. The dust sticks to the gel, leaving the surface clean. It also works well on keyboards and other electronic devices, making it useful beyond car cleaning. Made from high-tech cleaning material, the gel has a pleasant Provençal scent and is sticky enough to pick up dirt but not sticky to your hands. It also leaves no residue behind. Another advantage is that it's reusable. Simply store it in the jar after use and keep it in a cool place until the color turns dark. And our last choice is Pulidiki Car Cleaning Gel. The Pulidiki Car Cleaning Gel is a practical and effective tool for maintaining a clean car interior. This reusable cleaning putty is specially designed to reach tight spaces such as air vents, dashboards, steering wheels, cup holders, and storage compartments where dust often collects. Its soft and flexible texture allows it to easily get into small cracks and remove hidden dirt. The gel is very easy to use. Simply knead it in your hands, press it gently onto dusty surfaces, and slowly lift it away. It quickly picks up dust and debris without sticking to your hands or leaving any residue. Made from high-quality materials, it also has a light, pleasant fragrance that makes cleaning more enjoyable. Another great feature is its reusability. After each use, just place the gel back in the jar and store it in a cool place until it becomes dark and needs replacement. It's also useful for cleaning keyboards, desks, and electronic devices, making it a versatile cleaning solution. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.